The next sub-niche within the wealth category is investing. And here's a channel called Chris Invests, and he just produces investing videos without ever showing his face. And I'll show you how in just a second. But first, if we take a look here, he gets around 300,000 views per month. On some months, he gets as much as 1 million views per month. And the amazing thing about the investing niche is it's very likely to be high CPM. And I can tell you from experience, channels like this could earn anywhere from $30 to $50 per 1,000 views. So if we take that 340,000, multiply that by a $30 CPM, that channel could be minimum earning $10,000 per month from my estimates. Plus, within this niche, there's so many alternative monetization methods that are possible. And if we take a look at any of their videos, it's literally just a whiteboard drawing with a voiceover explaining these different investing concepts. And you might be asking, Matt, how can I produce videos like this? Well, you can literally just use a program called VideoScribe or Doodly to generate videos just like this, or pay someone super cheap online to do it for you.